Hello, so for the very first question of our challenge, okay, it is a question regarding whole numbers, okay, here you can see. So this is a very typical exam standard question. Students are expected to know how to solve such questions, okay, so we will be practicing a lot of similar questions, so please bear in mind the steps to attempt this question, and if you have any question, feel free to consult me during our lesson, okay? Okay, so first sentence. The total mass of 4 packets of tea leaf and 3 packets of coffee beans is 1 kg. Okay, so as if I'm the student, okay, if I look at the question, I need to take note of the unit. So over here is kg, alright? Okay, next sentence. Each packet of coffee beans is 30 gram heavier than a packet of tea leaf. So here, see, you notice the unit is different now? The first unit that they used was kg and now it is gram. Okay, so remember, okay, we will have to convert them into the same unit afterwards, alright? And also look at the second sentence here. It's actually the relationship between each coffee bean and each tea leaf, okay? So what we need to do is to draw out the relationship, okay, in our model. Okay, so the last sentence, what is the mass of 1 coffee bean? So later on, we are supposed to go and solve for coffee bean, okay? Not anything else but coffee bean. Remember to answer the question, okay? Okay, so first thing first, I will draw out the relationship between 1 packet of coffee bean and 1 packet of tea. Okay, so I can see that coffee bean is heavier than tea leaf. So definitely I will draw coffee bean longer than tea leaf. And I will actually indicate here that this part is 30 gram. Can you see? Okay, so that I can see the relationship very clearly. After which, I will draw what the question is saying, which is the total mass of 4 packets of tea leaf and 3 packets of coffee bean. So I have, okay, let me draw coffee first, since it's what I have drawn first for the very first model. Okay, so 3 packets of coffee. Okay, I will draw them vertically downwards. Okay, so this is 30 gram and 30 gram, alright? And I have 4 packets of tea leaf, so I will draw 4 pockets of tea leaf here. And what did the question say? The total mass is 1 kg. Let me indicate on the model. And take note, because the unit is different, I'm going to convert them into the same. So of course, I can either convert gram to kg or kg into gram. Of course, I will choose the easier option, which is converting kg into gram, which is just 1000 kg. Okay, so now I know 3 packets of coffee and 4 packets of tea leaf have a total mass of 1000 gram. Now, take note, whenever there is excess in a model, let me highlight in green, excess in a model, okay, we need to subtract. You need to remember this. This is very, very important. We need to subtract in order to solve for one unit. Without subtracting, you are unable to find the correct value for one unit, okay? So we need to minus away all the excess. So again, I can either use 1000 minus 30 minus 30 minus 30, or I can also use 30 multiply by 3 and I will get 90, and I use the total 1000 to minus 90 and I will get 910. So this particular value will be the number of units over here. So let us count together. I have 1 unit, 2 unit, 3 unit, 4 unit, 5 unit, 6 unit, 7 units here. Alright, so I know that 7 units is now 910. Always go and find out what is 1 unit. 910 divided by 7. Okay, I will get 130. After which, this is not the end. I have to answer the question. Remember what is the question asking? They want us to find the mass of one packet of coffee bean. So this is what they want to find in orange, okay? So let me just put a question mark here so that I can remind myself, alright? Okay, so can you see that for one packet of coffee, basically it is made up of 1 unit here and the excess of 30 gram. So back to the question, I know that my 1 unit value is 130 plus the excess 30 gram, I will get 160. So 160 will be the mass of one packet of coffee. Alright, it's very straightforward here. Okay, that's all.